go to Mr. Shaun's.
Hey! Hey!
Hey! Wait, what? Did you just say do it? Hi everyone, so we had a crazy morning this morning. We woke up really early and we drove here to the airport and we're getting ready to fly to Texas and I'm really excited. We have my breakfast burrito right here and I'm just eating.
What you doing right now?
Writing music and you can't hear it, so bye-bye. We just arrived in Austin, Texas and I'm so excited. And I already see a guitar. And as you guys probably don't know, my favorite airport is the one in Nashville, Tennessee. And it's just all full of music and I love that airport. I already see a guitar and it's really like it and I really love it so much. And I'm gonna have a lot of fun here and I'm really excited and this airport smells a lot better than our other one. So we're here at the hotel and we just slept through the night and I took a shower this morning and got all ready and now we're heading out to go to Mr. Shaun's and I'm so excited. We're gonna work on music and guitar and it's gonna be 3-hour classes. So we're here, it is, I don't know what time it is, but it is around 2 and we're gonna be, it's 1:30 and we're gonna be heading out here pretty soon and I'll see you when we're at Mr. Shaun's. See you then. There's a mirror.
What are you getting ready to go do?
I'm getting ready to go to Mr. Shaun's. But I wanted you. All you want is me, and a liar, and pathetic, and you want a knife and me, and me, and me, and me. But someday I'll be living in a big old city, and all you're ever gonna be is me.
Alright, good. Okay, how do you feel about that?
Feel good?
Good. Okay.
Watch. Okay guys, so now we're here, we're done eating, we were really full, and we're gonna go see Laura now, and I'm really excited because this is the first time I'm gonna see her in person. I'm gonna go. Thank you, bye!
Oh.
Good to see you.
You too. All right, let me get my mask on and then I can give you a hug.
Wait, what? Did you just say do it?
No.
Okay guys, so I'm here with Laura. I finally get to meet Laura! And she's gonna teach me how to do this and
Rifle twirling, right?
Essentially, yeah.
Laura. Says Laura.
I wrote your name on this one, but I was like, oh wait, that's gonna be too heavy.
Aw, that's so sweet.
Ready?
I don't even know how to do 2 times.
Don't think about it, just do it. Go, 1, 2, 3.
Can't see.
Oh, 1, 2,
You kind of got now.
1, 5.
Right idea.
Hey! Hey!
Hey! Oh no. Hey! Hey!
Right. Very good. Hey! So what happens when you do that, you see this is the thyroid and this is the cricoid, right?
And no word is on your case. I could offer you a warm embrace.
To make you feel my love, don't do it that. Ready?
To make you feel my love. I know you haven't made. Darn it, I did the same thing.
You get flat Alright, so I want to do the first one before that. Okay? I just want to know you. Okay. No. All I know is you sing this. All I know is you say
All I know is we said hello, and you're.
Did you hear that swap? Hello.
All I know is we said hello. All I know is we said hello, and your eyes look like coming home. All I know is a simple name, and everything.
What's the vowel for name?
And there's no one there to dry your tears. I can hold you for a million years to make you feel my love.
Alright, I need everybody up. I don't have time. So, boys towards the back.
Okay.
This way. We're gonna go this way. I want it the summer moon. Actually, let's bring.
What are we doing?
We are.
This way. Yeah, I was like, huh?
No, but.
Oh, dude.
Hi guys, so I just had a great time in Austin, Texas. I was here to practice with my coach and work on our music and stuff. And now I'm going to go to Fort Worth to spend time with some family, and I'm super excited. So you'll get to see the travel to Austin on my video this week. And next week's video is going to be, or this week's video is going to be on going to Fort Worth and spending time and seeing my family that lives in Fort Worth, Texas.